So here's the Repetier host, which is communicating to the printer over, which is, let me move that out of the way. This is the acrylic Prusa I3 PRO B. You've got the digital display. At the moment we're printing with some black ABS. It's the first time I've printed with ABS. It's also my first attempt to print with ABS that seems to have stuck to the board properly. So most people use the Easy Print 3D, but I'm using the Repetier host and the Repetier server, which I have running on a separate machine because I had problems that the PC running the server and the host would kind of crash halfway through, which is really annoying. This is what we're actually printing. This is the unicorn. Oh.
So what? I haven't got any bolts.
And there you go. Unicorn. That's pre-sliced. And I have discovered that everything is pretty much in the slicing configuration. I also found that this Paint 3D program, which comes pre-installed on Windows 10 if you have a machine that will actually run it, because not all of them do, you need a reasonable graphics card. Oops. Go to here, go to go to 3D shapes at the top, and then over here we get our 3D shapes, and you can get a cat, say, like this. Okay, and then back to the menu, go save as, select 3D model and change the file extension from GLB to 3MF. Okay, so then we can save that as, we'll save it as new cat because I've already got cats on there, new cat, hashtag 2. And we're going to put that into my 3MF file there and save that, because basically you can convert the 3MF into G code. So now go back to the Repetier host and go to the object placement. We're just going to get rid of the unicorn for a minute, and we're going to go add, and then from here we're going to find our, where is it, new cat hashtag 2 3MF file, and it will be really small, so small you can't actually see it. So go to scale, probably delete some of those, and oh, it's still really small, still can't see it. Where is it? Or is it bigger than the size of the printer? Scale it up to probably maybe like 100, might be a bit big, let's see, 100, there we go. Oh, and I just need to go and feed some filament through on the printer. I just find that the really big rolls don't roll around very well, so I feed it up through this thing here, through the donut, which was one of the first things I printed, and into the extruder. See how it's getting on. There we go, there goes the unicorn. Alright, anyway, back to the host. So anyway, here is our 3MF cat, which we basically just had already made in that 3D paint program on the Windows. Scaled it up some, and then I find go over to here, go to the settings, and you get this funny box pops up. Click on fix normals, then click on analysis, and then analyze it. and it just fills out all those boxes. I don't know whether that makes any difference or not, but it's probably worth doing.